Hey guys, welcome back. I was not expecting this this fast. FGNORMAL offered to send me some more items to show you guys, and yeah, I picked all these items out myself, so I'm very excited. There should be some awesome stuff in here. I was not expecting this because it was shipped 6 days ago, so that's insane. In 6 days it got here, and if you're wondering, I'm in the Netherlands, so it's very fast. Let's not wait any longer. Let's get into this. This will make some noise. Okay, let's start off with this first one. Yeah, as you know, I always like to finish something in the unboxing video, so I like to pick out some smaller items. Wow, this is, wow, okay. This is actually a case for your glasses, a holder, and this is some very nice quality. I don't know if you can see, but it's actually velvet on the inside. Wow, when I first saw this, I was thinking it was a yeah, they have these like tiny storage boxes. I thought it was something like this, but it's actually for my glasses, and I do wear them. So this is perfect. Wow, this looks very, very nice. But we have an awesome cover to diamond paint on here. They had lots of different designs. Yeah, I like my mandala, so I had to go for this one. So inside the case it comes a toolkit with some baggies and our drills. So let's have a look at those. By the looks of it, I need six drills. It says 1 to 6 on the box. Ooh. Let me just get you in a little closer so you can actually see what's happening. That's better, and it's printed like this. Awesome. So of course we don't have a lot of drills. Ooh, but these are pretty. So we have number 5 and 6. We have some, these are more like the rhinestones in blue and soft pink. Then we have some bigger green ones. Now this looks like a very fast and nice project, so I'm going to be working on this right away. And if you want to see what it looks like, you should stay tuned to the end of the video. Putting it on my desk to work on right now. And we have some diamond paintings. Oh yes, yes. Okay. Very exciting. Let's start with this one. Now I do need scissors. Always forgetting to zoom out. Sorry guys. There is a painting in here that deserves its entire own video. And I can't wait to work on that as well. But this is a special shaped, ooh, here we go, a special shaped mandala diamond painting. And the best part is it's luminous. When I first heard that, I had so many luminous diamond paintings in my last haul, and yeah, I'm kind of addicted now. So when I heard there were luminous mandala diamond paintings, I was like, yep, that's something for me. Oh, we have 16 colors. That's quite a lot. So I'm guessing with most luminous diamond paintings. The 5200, the white drills that sort of like shape the mandala, are luminous. But let's look at this. I'm going to zoom you in again. Hopefully I'll not forget to zoom out. Okay. Yeah, we have a toolkit with baggies again. And okay, come on. What I really like about these is that when you look at the legend, it's just color 1 to 16. There's no weird symbols. It's so easy to do this one. And yeah, you can guess it. This will probably be at the end of the video. Well, not probably, it will be. But first, let's look at the drills. By the way, we do have DMC codes. So we have the 5200s that are these white ones. We have a ton of those. These are the luminous drills. And yeah, we have some DMC codes that are correct. So let's look at them. These drills in these bags are always perfect. Absolutely perfect. Ooh. It's very, very nice. And here we have our special shaped drills. These are pretty. I don't think I've seen these before. The camera has some issues focusing on the bling. These are very pretty. Not the AB ones. And these are sort of like multi-chrome drills. We have some big white pearls. And these are also like pearl shaped. And some more multi-chrome sort of like purple rhinestones. And we have some gold. Oh, I love these new, it's a new thing, I think. All the gold elements in the diamond paintings. That's awesome. Okay. So again, putting it on my desk, working on it right now to get this video up as soon as possible. Now let's zoom out, shall we? Yes, here we go. So another diamond painting. Nope. Do not have the strength today. Now this. I'm so excited about this. This is gonna be amazing. What they emailed me and told me they had this, and I was like, yes, I need that. I've never ever done a mystery diamond painting before, but here it is, my first one. And yeah, I want you guys to place your bets on what it is. I can't really see anything, but of course I'm looking at it upside down. Ooh, look at this. We have an inventory sheet and of course our toolkit. What is it? That's probably... I'm not supposed to know what it is until I finished it. Can you guys see what it is? I really can't. Let's, ooh. Okay, trying to keep my composure. So we have an inventory sheet. That is awesome. We have 21 colors. And yeah, we basically have all the colors of the rainbow. So it's kind of, that doesn't make it easier to guess what it is. but they are pre-packaged and labeled, and this is perfect. And the drills look excellent. Okay, so this is so interesting. Nope, let's get a little closer. So we have, of course, the drill field, but everything is in black and white, so it's really hard to see anything. They have a lot of different designs, so if you would order more than one, you'll get different designs. And I do see some symbols in here. Let's look at the inventory. We have DMC codes on the canvas, but they, by the looks of them, they're not on the drills. Oh, these symbols might be a little confusing. I don't know. Will they? I think this would be so weird to do. Like, when you don't know what it is. Okay. Let's get a little more space to show you the drills. But anyway, I want you guys to place your bets on what you think it is. I think it may be some kind of cartoon, which would totally make sense because that is me. But let's look at the drills. These look perfect. Very shiny. No trash at all, not oily or staticky. We have so many fun colors. These colors are awesome. They all look perfect. So this looks like 210. Yes, it is. Lots of orange and yellow. This is excellent. Let me put these back, because this will be a project when I'm done with the other two. And like I said, this one deserves its own video, so we're gonna do that. But yeah, okay, awesome. This is very, very cool, and I'm really curious what it looks like when it's done, and if I get a sense of what it's gonna be once I start working on it. Awesome. Okay, sorry for getting all excited. We have one more to do. One more to do. Okay. Breathe. Just breathe. Come on. I want to get to work. Okay. So, what is this one? All right. This. Oh. When I first, the first time, FGNORMAL sent me some diamond paintings. They also sent me the face of a tiger, but it was sort of like more realistic. I'll leave it here. But this one is in nighttime, I believe. It's all blue and purple, and it's beautiful. It is a bit tight, so let's release some pressure. There we go, that's better. And it isn't too big, so yeah, when I do the video of the mystery diamond painting, I will also show this one, because it shouldn't be too much work. We have a huge legend. Let's get you guys a little closer. Now this is what I like to see. All letters and numbers. We do not have DMC codes. They are not on the backs and they are not on the canvas. So let's look at the, oh wow. It's like purple heaven, purple and blue heaven. This is going to be pretty. Now we get our blues. This looks like 939, sort of. And this looks like 310. But yeah, these drills are perfect. Perfect, perfect. Wow, okay. So much fun stuff to do. Let me get it all back in frame. Before we finish. And of course, we have our, whoop, I'll lose some drills. Case. Oh, exciting, exciting. Okay, I gotta get to work and show you this one finished and the case finished, so please stay tuned. Okay, so the case is finished. This really only took me like 30 minutes to do. I think it's stunning, and just for show, I actually put my glasses in there to see if it will fit perfectly, and it does. I think this is lovely. Really, really cute. And as promised, of course, we have our mandala, luminous mandala diamond painting. I think this one looks very stunning up close. I like the center. It's sort of like a star, a sun even. I think it's very, very pretty. And I like the tiny bits of gold in there. But of course, since it's luminous, we have to see what it looks like, right? So, let me hold this against the light. And let's turn off the light. Ooh, look at this. That is stunning. That is really beautiful. Wow. I mean, I knew there was a lot of 5200s in this painting, but this is amazing. I really like it. And if you're wondering what a bag of luminous drills looks like when it's actually been in my nail lamp. Never mind. Yeah. This is quite a lot. This is not the leftovers, by the way. These are a lot of leftovers I've been saving up from all the different diamond paintings I've done. But this is cute. Okay. Let me turn it back on. Okay. So, I am off to the next, the other two diamond paintings. I'm going to finish them and make a separate video about them. So if you're really curious to see what the mystery diamond painting will look like, please stay tuned on his channel. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Please be safe, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.